Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some beautiful ways to tie your hairs. So roll the hairs upward and fix it using the clutches like this. Put 2 to 3 clutches to fix it properly and your bun is ready. Next, tie the ponytail using a rubber band and fix it in the half. Now pull down the hairs and fix it inside the hairs like this. Now tie it using the rubber band and put the clutches or a beautiful color over it like this. Tie it properly and it's ready. Next, fix this hair clip on the hairs in the between. Now, take the hairs from the sides and fix them all the alternative sections. Now, divide the hairs, make the plaits and fold it upward. Fix it using the hairpins like this and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs in the between like this. Now, divide it and roll it. Now, to make the plaits, take the hairs from the sides one by one and join it like this. Take the hairs in the equal sections till the end from the sides one by one to make the plaits. Take the same manner till the bottom of the hairs and then we will tie all the hairs together and fix it. Follow these steps as shown in the video and watch it properly how we are fixing the hairs. Tie all the hairs together now and then fix it properly using a beautiful rubber band or the hair clutch. And your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. In further, you can decorate it by putting some glittery balls on the hairs. It will look very beautiful. Next, put this hair clip on the hairs. Now take the hairs from the sides and fix them in the sections of the clips. Put 2 hair strands in one section of the clip like this and it's ready. Next, tie a ponytail. Now roll the hairs using this bun pin. Roll it around like this and fix it properly and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs and fix this bun clip on the hairs like this. Now put it rightwards. Now tie the hairs on the top and then roll it down and fix it using the hair clip and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs like this in the between and fix it. Now fold the hairs upward and tie it like this and put the hair clutch and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we will tie the hairs like this on the top and roll the hairs. Now fold it and fix it using the hair clip. Now tie the hairs on the bottom section and fold them one by one and fix it by rolling it like this. Now keep folding it and fixing it. Now tie the hairs on the top and roll it down and fix it using the bun pin and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the ponytail and fix it in the half like this. Now tie it from the between and then rotate it. Now fix it over the bun and spread the hairs from the sides and fix it using the rubber band and the hair clutch and your hairstyle will be ready. Thanks for watching our video.